As the former US President John F. Kennedy stated, ask not what the nation has done for you, but what you have done to the nation. And seeing the current context in India, where we were discussing some not so relevant issues like whether we should stand up or not while our national anthem sung, where we were facing some communal mishappenings and controversies in the name of secularism and progressiveness, where we find out that problems like nationalism and intolerance keep cropping up from time to time, and we have nothing to gain out of all this. I, Chetan Bhardwaj, is speaking for the motion strongly in favor of the enforcement of fundamental duties, just as the case is with fundamental rights, and believes that it is the high time that we should give importance to the words of Kennedy and should realize that state as a representative body deserves respect and cooperation from its people. And it should definitely be a moral obligation of the people of this country to behave responsible by performing their fundamental duties. Apart from all that, we have many incidents where people like Sharjeel Imam openly instigate people to cut Assam off from India and deliver their seditious speeches by keep violating the norms in the name of freedom of speech. But that should definitely not be the case. People like him should definitely have a fear in their mind before pointing out anything against the sovereignty of this great nation. And this is what we can achieve by enforcing fundamental duties lawfully, because only then people like Sharjeel will understand that they cannot adopt a cynical approach towards the nation. But it is not just about integrity and unity, but also about our environment and wildlife as well. Because there is a case in Kerala yesterday where some people knowingly give a fruit laced with crackers to a wild pregnant elephant, and that causes her injuries and then death. And this is not just the first case, but there are many cases where people keep violating subsection G of Article 51A of the Constitution, but not every such case get media attention, which clearly points out that instead of saving our wildlife animals, we are actually making progress in their intentional killing, and all that can be stopped to an extent by enforcing fundamental duties legally. And even Apex Court believes that and showed that in some of its remarkable judgments, one of which is MC Mehta versus Union of India. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that measures are needed to be taken to shake the people out of slumber and make them realize that these duties are actually act as a warning signal for them against any type of antisocial activity. These duties actually promote a sense of discipline and commitment. And finally, these duties actually give us a chance to have an active participation in the welfare of society rather than being a spectator. Thank you.